Hello, and here we are again with another video. And today we're going to be making something again, but it's something you might not expect. You're familiar with these, the fortune tellers? Well, I'm going to show you something that my brother Mirel did when he was little, and I use them a lot in class. We're going to start off the same. We have a square piece of paper and we fold it to make a center point. We put corner to center, corner to center, corner to center, and corner to center. As we do with the other one, we turn it over and we put corner to center, corner to center, corner to center, and corner to center. Now you're probably thinking, that's what I always do, but now is the surprise, because this time we're going to put this side first, and look what I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw two big eyes and a beak, which I can colour orange or not. And I'm going to do a tongue. Now this is the complicated part, but not if you concentrate. I want you to fold it like this. Can you see what I've done? The head to the tongue. I folded it there. And now look, I'm going to fold it the other way. And now I'm going to lift up this piece, and I have my talking bird. And you know, sometimes I use this in class to teach blending, because my little bird only knows the sounds. So if he sees, for example, the word dog, he only knows how to say d, o, g. And I help him to blend, so he says dog. Oh, dog. There you are. So you can use them to speak and to play with as a puppet, a bird puppet. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.